Okay, so we in lesson 2. So we trying to find the related domain keyword, okay? What do I mean by that? Well, online, there's a thing called domain real estate. A lot of people don't focus on this, and there's a big gap out here that's allowing people like me or people like you or anybody that want to take these keywords and rank on the first page for these keywords, okay? But how do you do that? Well, you go after the keyword, okay? I'm not trying to make it harder than like that, but you go after the keyword, okay? So majority of the time when majority of people actually just search for the keywords, okay? But the thing is that they don't never go after the domain name for that keyword. So while people are searching for it, you need to have the domain name for it. Okay. So you can have affiliatemarketingcompanies.com, affiliate marketing for beginners.com, how to start affiliatemarketing.com, affiliatemarketingexamples.com, affiliate marketing amazon.com, affiliate marketing salary.com, clickbankaffiliatemarketing.com, affiliate marketing youtube.com. You see what I mean? But you want to go after the root keyword, which is affiliate marketing, okay? So let's try to find this keyword right here. All right. I'm sure it's taken already. So let's go to Namecheap. Namecheap.com. And this is where you can buy a domain, okay? So let's copy that in here. Okay. Affiliatemarketing.com. Okay, let's see if that's available. Actually, it is. Actually, no. Affiliate marketing dev is available. Okay, so the whole idea is not to get the .com. It doesn't matter what it is, .com or whatever. The whole idea is to find. See, as you can see, this is some smart marketers. Okay, they taking these keywords and they're ranking for them. Okay, and in the search engine. Okay. So what you want to do is find one that just has affiliate marketing on there, okay? Something that's cheap, okay? Affiliate marketing.monster. That's fine, whatever. Okay? And you want to take this right here, okay? And you want to purchase this. Okay? Something like this or affiliate marketing.to, okay? No, that's a little expensive. Let's see. Let's find something cheaper. Affiliate marketing.ltd. If you have an LTD, then you can. Affiliate marketing.chat. Or you can actually add extra on there. Affiliate marketing 24/7. Let's see if that's available. But the whole idea is to have the main keyword on the front. Okay? Whatever else in the back, that's fine. Okay? Or you could actually come to your list, right? Come to your list, and let's find something that's in here. Affiliate marketing for beginners, okay? You can actually take, because you taking the root keyword, right? And you taking a long tail keyword and you put them together, okay? So this might be available. Affiliate marketing for beginners, okay? But the whole idea is to have the main keyword on the front end, okay? You always want to do that, okay? So let's go after this one right here. Affiliate marketing for beginners.com. See if that's available. It is, but it's $2,000. So you want to find something like .net, right? Let's put in .net. .net is cool. So hopefully you kind of getting the gist of what I'm doing. You see how it's taken? I mean, because these people are actually killing it with this, okay? This is insane. Let's see. So you have all type of stuff. .site, .org, .group, online, .services, .to, .page, .news. Let's just find one that we'll just go after, okay? How about this one? Affiliate marketing for beginners, XYZ. That's fine. We'll take that. Okay? We'll take that and we'll just add it to the notepad. Okay, this is something that's pretty good. So we're going to take that and I'm just going to put it right here. and I'm gonna put, so I'm gonna put it in caps, domain keyword. Oops. Keyword. Okay, just like that. All right, so that is it for this video. Hopefully you got some nuggets out of it and I gave you something that was special. But this is, I know this is a little totally different because this is how I do things, okay? But it's all going to make sense, okay? All right.